It's whatever, man. Welcome to And a Large Diet Coke, please. A website, a YouTube page where we review regular items rather than expensive items. So for today, I have a naan wrapping up a piece of a hot dog wiener rather. And I made it just 5 minutes ago. Toss it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and I just, put some ketchup in it. And this one I put barbecue sauce in it. So it's around 2:21 a.m. I got hungry, so might as well, make a little midnight snack. And I'm going to let you guys know how it is. So I'm about to dig in now. Okay, right off the bat, the bread to meat ratio is off. Okay, way too much bread for the meat. Way too much. Something about it is good, so I'm gonna go for a second one. The bread is a little hard to get through. Not as soft as I want it to be. So I got me some water, so that was a solid 5 out of 10. It wasn't that good. But for the time, and I'm pretty hungry right now, solid 7. So let's dig into the second one. This is with some Burger King barbecue sauce, so I expected this to be pretty good. Much better. But I gotta let you guys know, this thing is like, you can see that. Originally it was around 8 inches long. And just show you the inside real quickly. Oh man, do you guys see that? It's literally just a hot dog with some barbecue sauce in it. That's it. That's literally the whole thing. And for the other one, it's the same thing but ketchup. It's as plain as they come. So that's like the raw wrap. Okay, that's what a 2:30 a.m. wrap looks like. But I'll tell you, it is delicious. Like honestly, especially for how hungry you are at this time. Oh my gosh. If somebody came into my house with this and gave it to me at 2:30 a.m., first thing I'd say is thank you. Because that's how my mother raised me. But the second thing I'd say is, why are you in my house? Now, you see, the whole thing feels dry. That's why I'm trying to add these juicy jokes with it to balance it. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, this is the funniest rap I've ever eaten in my life. When's the last time you had a rap that made you laugh? I don't know. I've never had one. I never had one. This has to be the first one. The crust is getting in my gums. Don't understand it. Honestly, I rate this a solid. See a drip right there? It's too much. It has a lot of sauce. I would give it a solid. What's that number between 7 and 9? 8. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's a solid 8, especially for the time. It gets better. Great. That was 8. Ketchup one was not 7. It is 2:25 a.m. And this was And a Large Diet Coke, please.